Hello students, today we will start with the third module, basic algebra. So in this module, first of all we will have to learn what is an equation. As you know, equations are statements of equality. For example, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is a mathematical equation. But in algebra, equation is stated in terms of a variable. For example, 4x plus 2 is equal to 6, where x is the variable that is unknown. So the unknown quantities in an equation are called variables. So in algebraic equation, you will have to find out the value of unknown variable, and that value is called as the root of the equation or solution to the equation. For example, 3x plus 5 is equal to 20. So in this equation, when x is equal to 5, we can satisfy the equality. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So, very simple. So, what is an equation? Equation is a statement of equality. So, mathematical equation, algebraic equation. In algebraic equation, at least one variable remains unknown. We will have to find out the value of the unknown variable, maybe x or y. Now, let us state what is a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation with unknowns occur only in the first power. So the power of the variable is 1. For example, 5x plus 4 is equal to 24, where the power of x is equal to 1. Because so this is a linear equation with one variable. Another example, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 29. Here also x, y and z are the variables and they have powers as 1. So this is also a linear equation with 3 variables. Now for examination purpose, you will have to solve a linear equation. So this is a very complex equation. So the question is 7x minus 5 into x minus 7 minus 6 into x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. So first of all, we are removing this bracket, first bracket, this square bracket. So x minus 7 minus into minus plus 6 plus 6 into x plus 6x minus 6 into minus 3 minus 18. So x minus 7 plus 6x minus 18 is equal to 2x plus 5. Then we are removing, we are making some calculations here. So x plus 6x, 7x minus 18 minus 7 minus 25. So that is 7x minus 5 into 7x minus 25 is equal to 2x plus 5. It's very clear. Then we are removing this bracket, 5 into 7, 7x minus 5 into 7, 35x minus into minus plus 25 into 5, 125 is equal to 2x plus 5. 7x minus 35x minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. We are taking the variables in the right hand side. 7x minus 35x, this 2x comes here, minus 2x, this 125 goes here in the left hand side, so this 5 minus 125, therefore minus 30x is equal to minus 120, 35 minus 2 minus 37, minus 37 plus 7 minus 30x, 5 minus 125 minus 1, therefore x is equal to 4. Similar type of questions may be asked for your examination. Another a descriptive question. So the question is, A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. B alone can do it in 20 days. in how many days A alone can finish the work. So let us describe the same with the help of equation. So it is said that A and B together, A plus B can do a piece of work, one piece of work in 12 days. So that is stated as 1 divided by 12. 12 days are required to complete one piece of work. B can do it in 20 days. So one piece of work can be done by B in 20 days. That is 1 divided by 20. Therefore, what is A? A is equal to A plus B minus B. A plus B is 1 by 2. B is minus 1 by 20. So that is equal to, when we take the LCM, 20 minus 12 divided by 240. 240, 20 into 12, 240 is equal to 8 divided by 240 is equal to 1 by 30. That means A alone can do the work in 30 days. A alone can do the work in 30 days. Okay. Now another descriptive type question. Two natural numbers are in the ratio 3:5 and their product is 2160. Find the numbers. So you have given a ratio of two numbers 3:5 and their product is given as 2160. So in this case, first of all, we are assuming that the numbers are 3x and 5x. This is 3:5. So we are assuming that the numbers be 3x and 5x. And it is said that 3x into 5x is equal to 2160. Product is equal to 2160. So 3x into 5x is equal to 2160. So when you multiply 15, x square is equal to 2160. Therefore, x square is equal to 2160 divided by 15. So x square is equal to 144. So the square root of 144 is equal to 12. So what are the numbers? 12 into 3, 36. 12 into 5, 60. So the numbers are 36 and 60. So this question looks complex even though we will have to solve it. So very simple, x plus 2 by 3 minus x plus 1 by 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 5 minus x plus 5 by 4. First of all, you are taking the LCM, 6 is there. So multiply 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 minus 3x minus 3 divided by 6 is equal to 4x plus 12 minus 5x minus 25 divided by 5 plus 5 into 4, 20. 20 is the LCM. So 2x minus 3x minus x plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 4x minus 5x minus 5x minus x 12 minus 25 minus 13 divided by 20. So cross multiplying 20 into minus s minus 20x 20 into 1 20, 20 minus 20x plus 20 is equal to 6 into minus x minus 6x 6 into minus 13 minus 78. So minus 20x then 6x we are taking it into right hand side plus 6x is equal to minus 78. This 20 is going to the left hand side 7 minus 78 minus 20. So minus 14x is equal to minus 90. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Similarly, you will have to work out these three problems. So you can do it as an assignment, and these questions are there in your textbook. You can refer the textbook for answers. This is there in the practical problem. And these two are illustrations. Okay, thank you.